I'd like to talk for a little moment here about the claims process. When you get hurt, it's very important to report your injury and get, if you can, get a copy of your report and make sure and put in there in the report, where you hurt and how you got hurt, and don't put it all on yourself. Sometimes people say, well, I slipped on oil, for instance, on the deck. Well, somebody tracked that oil there. So it's not your fault that the oil's there. So make sure and be specific and think about it before you sign it and try to get a copy of it. Next, once you report the injury, the captain probably reports the injury to the home office or the port agent or port captain. Once that happens, they alert the insurance company, who hires a claims adjuster, and they start to build a case against you. That's why it's important to get legal representation early, so that the law firm can get statements from coworkers to help build your case. Do not think that the company or the insurance company is on your side. They may say they are, but they're not. To them, I hate to say this, but you're really like a piece of meat, and there's some young buck standing in line to take your job. So, this is your livelihood. It's your family's livelihood. So it's important to get legal representation early. Finally, who you choose to represent you is ultra important. They can, they need to really do the work, not just blow smoke up your butt. And they need to get an investigator. They need to get the statements. Perhaps they need to immediately get you medical care because you're not getting proper medical care. And they need to, in our opinion, they need to file the lawsuit and prosecute it, because the insurance companies that cover the maritime employers do not get serious until basically you've twisted their arm, beat them up, and dragged them to the courthouse. And at that time is when they begin to offer you the money that you're supposed to get.